How's everybody doing out there today? It's 7:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8/4/2020. Market 339 billion. Volume 19 billion. BTC 11,187. ETH 387. XRP 30 cents, a little bit over, and everything's down in the last little bit. Daily volume has dropped down as you look at the graph right about there, and you can see it was up at 32 and dropped quite a bit. So you're seeing a plateau downward flow, and I would say that you're probably looking at this continuing on for a little while. But notice how the market cap is steadily increasing. Notice how the coins are increasing in stages. The more volume that comes in, which has been a lot of money coming in, is pushing the prices up gradually. So you've got that happening, which is good for the future. Speaking of what's good for the future, the United Allied States updated their website to reflect the election of their president. And right down here, Mr. Stephen McCullough, president-elect. Good picture, if you ask me. Very good picture. And piece right there, the UAS will be a beacon of hope and freedom in the world without much of either, quote unquote. And let's go into this right here, the read more section. This is on the front page, folks. Anybody that's doing any videos on this, do your proper research and notice the updates on the site. Okay, United Allied States elects, and Pretoria, South Africa. This update, by the way, comes out, Wessel, who is the gentleman that was at the podium of the video, is a lawyer out of South Africa, of a law firm in South Africa, and he issues all the press releases. That's why it shows Pretoria, South Africa. So when you get this breakdown here, I'm not going to read all this to you because we've got too much more to do on this, but read into it and let's get going, and we'll get back to some more stuff. China's digital yuan to reportedly target dominance in Alibaba and Tencent. Now this one here, with the DCEP, okay, they basically are saying that Alibaba and WeChat have too much of a dominance and they suppress competition. So there is a antitrust agency investigation into those, and we'll have to see how this all shakes loose for China. Oh, no, we will not sign up. Get out of the way here, Crypto Potato. Crypto Potato and, let's see, Cointelegraph pretty much focus on scams and lawsuits and, government investigations. And U.S. DOJ after 7.2 million crypto Ponzi banana fund. So they're going after that with 482 Bitcoins, 1.7 million USDT to be seized with a seizure warrant. Swiss State Bank announces plans to launch crypto services. This is breaking news. This has only happened in a little bit. I can choose accept for the cookies because Brave blocks them anyway. Yeah, it's the Brave browser. So anyway, this is brand new, and Basler Continental Bank is working on introducing cryptocurrency related services. I can link this down below for you if you want to. I didn't get a chance to read that because it was brand spanking new. And let's go over here. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse claims the majority of governments are looking seriously at blockchain. The reason why I glitched that is I was looking down at the picture and I almost laughed out loud. Whoever clicked this picture and decided to use this picture is not the best picture of Brad. It almost looks like he's having a seizure. It is not good. Who is the author of this article? My God. Alex? Okay, Alex. Come on, dude. Better picture. Brad deserves it. Okay, so that's true. Very true on the blockchain. Government's definitely looking into it. With Apollo setting up the blockchain used for Zimbabwe. And by the way, too, with Zimbabwe's national payment plan, or platform, I should say, I have seen that payment plan. I keep saying it, plan. Well, it is a plan. You know why? Because the people, the wallets in Zimbabwe, using the Apollo Light wallets, they need to know what the plan is. And you know what the plan is? You're going to have a dashboard set up like of the national payment platform that you're going to be able to see your wallet balance, see all your transactions, and it's tied to the system. So with that, and then the government, I've seen the government use of it, I've seen the agency use of it, for the different ones going to be using it. And it was 10 minutes long, the example I saw of what it is. It's going into final edit for the video that's going to be produced, but I'll tell you one thing. 10 minutes of the most complex and awesomeness that you've ever seen for use of the blockchain for governments and the people. And this is something, and the businesses too, by the way, for the agencies. So this is something that that Apollo is doing for the Zimbabwe people and government. And this is what's happening in the United Allied States to tie in the states together. So you have that coming. And once you see the video, you'll see what I mean on that. That's the best way to put that. GSX, the world's first cryptocurrency with perpetual growth in value. If you have not heard about this, I'm surprised you haven't watched my excuse me, last videos, of the last 20 of them or so. GSX has a perpetual growth in value from reinvesting. So this is available right down below. It's a stable coin. It doesn't go down in value. It goes up in value from reinvesting. And that's from mines that are in trust in Zimbabwe that Apollo owns. They're in trust. The mines are in trust, and all the assets of the mine go back into it. Plus, they pay dividends on the GSX, and they pay dividends on the APL coin. Pretty good on that. And before we go too much further, you've got this. Steve was issued a United Allied States presidential mask, or 2 or 3 or 4. He says, they have issued me a set of presidential masks. I thought that was a nice touch for my upcoming trips, although I hate masks. Who likes them? I don't like them. Should you wear them? You better believe you should. If you don't, and you just act like well, I'm not going to do it, you just may end up in a hospital, and that's not good. Actually, Stratus, let's talk about the good stuff. Stratus, the new social ecosystem from Apollo. If you're going, well, how does Apollo have all this? Apollo's been in all-in-one since 2018, evolving, evolving, evolving. They said they couldn't do it back in 2018, but Apollo did it. They have an all-in-one wallet. Download it, check it all out. Has a marketplace that you can buy things with your APLs, Apollo APLs, and have them delivered to your door. It has a DEX to do your exchanging and send to your bank using the Paxos stable coin. It has forging free coins. It has voting. It has aliases. Get my drift? Now they have they also have two other exchanges besides the DEX, Knox Global, KnoxVIP.com. They have the social ecosystem coming out, which has the full functionality of YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Coinbase. Keep going down the list, all of them. Okay, the top ones, Apollo has. This first issue is coming out shortly, hopefully this month of August. Hopefully you're reading this while I talk. It will have the capabilities of all, and on the main screen it allows users the ability to see all posts from all platforms. One login, all the platforms are right there, no data is sold. Okay? So, also too on the sandbox issues and what they're doing, they're waiting to finalize the national payment platform to take care of business, to launch everything out there. Okay, we have to get it finished to move forward to the next step, which is why we have allocated most of our resources to it. It's a massive multi-million-dollar infrastructure built to power an economy, so it hasn't been a 2-month project. Okay, the good news though, that we are finally finished. Did you hear that, folks? Good news is they are finally finished with a national payment platform. Like I said, I saw with my own eyes, it is the bomb. The bomb. Okay, it's going to be awesome. Wait till you see it. You're going to see it soon, which is a great thing. And once they post it, the video of it, I will show it. Okay, so we have also been laying the groundwork in many of the Apollo Cash, as well as with agents like Nigeria. So a lot of work, but nothing worth announcing until we launch the national payment platform and Apollo Cash. Once that happens, we will have things rolling constantly. GSX, Knox, Natalie does great stuff. The video, I think I'll pass that over for right now. Stephen McCullough, President-elect. Okay, so I want to explain a few things. A lot of people don't realize how me being elected as president can help Apollo, or how the UAS is even a big deal for Apollo. Let me explain. Not only is it the best use case possible for Apollo's national blockchain currency system, I should say, it's a use case for the entire government platform. It gives us the ability to start bringing over crypto businesses. And before I go too far, not just crypto businesses, other governments around the world that see the efficiency of this are going to want to jump on board. Why? Because there is no inflation with the national currency system based on the gold standard. Yeah. And with the easy transparency of the blockchain with Apollo's government systems, taxation collection, all the issuing of licenses, everything for what they're doing for managing the government, Apollo provides, and it's super efficient, low cost, and the bomb. Okay, but on one aspect, exchanges, crypto businesses like exchanges, offering them a tax-free minimum regulation environment to operate from. They can be issued an exchange license and incorporation within a few weeks, and we can open them up to a bank account with Knox Bank immediately, and they can offer fiat without fear of freezing, which is what they get from the banks. Okay, so get ready. That's all I can say, ladies and gentlemen, because all this is about to break. And I can just put it this way. Anybody that's spreading the FUD about Apollo, and there's a few that are doing it right now, they're going to look like total fools. Can I say that close up to the mic? Total fools. And they will be so embarrassed about this whole situation. I've been with Apollo, showing what Apollo's been doing for the last 2.5 years. They have come through with everything they said they were going to do, and even better. A lot of this stuff that's coming out right now, Gold Inc., Social Echo, and a few more things, were never mentioned on the roadmap. They popped them out there, and these are gosh darn, and I should say goddamn good things. They are, but I'm not going to say it. But anyway, just joking. The platforms of the Apollo Foundation to the Apollo Fintech. They've gone from that to the Fintech in 2.5 years, and the Fintech is cranking. Wait till the first state is announced for the United Allied States. I've seen the glory of that state, and all I can say is that once you see it, everybody's going to dive into Apollo. Everybody's going to dive in because they're going to see that's the first, and there's 4 that lined up. Yeah. They're going to dive in because of what? Social Echo. They're going to dive in because of Knox Inc., or I should say Gold Inc., and Knox Pro, and a bunch more. That Gold Inc. beta version is out right now, and they're going to be sending out the emails to let you know you can play it. Things are cranking. Just get ready for them to come out. I would say just go about, do your business, and get your stock all set up of GSX, APL. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm just saying that if you can afford it, do your research, and you just never know, you may get a very good thing. And GSX, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't go down in value, it goes up in value from reinvesting. And it's less than 5 cents a piece. And you get over 70% free coins when you use that link down below. Everybody, have a great one. Breaking news is coming. I'll have it for you. It's now 8:05 a.m., 8/4/2020. History is about to be made. Everybody, ciao.